In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a backspace icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a super quick method and it's perfect if you want to add clean, professional looking icons to your UI design without drawing them from scratch. Using a plugin like Iconify can save you a lot of time and give you access to thousands of ready-made icons right inside Figma. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma design file and make sure you're inside the canvas where you want to place the icon. At the bottom toolbar, look for the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of helpful tools, plugins, and widgets. Go ahead and click that Actions icon to open the menu. Once the menu appears, click on Plugins and Widgets. This section lets you search for tools that can extend what Figma can do. And in this case, we're going to use it to find the icon we need. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular icon plugins for Figma because it gives you a huge library of icons from different sets, all available to insert directly into your design. After typing it in, run the plugin. If it's already installed, you can open it right away. If not, follow the prompt to add it and then launch it. Once Iconify is open, you'll see a search bar inside the plugin. Click into that search bar and type backspace, then press enter. The plugin will search through its icon library and display matching results. Take a moment to look through the options and choose the backspace icon style that fits your design best. You might see different versions depending on the icon set, so pick the one that matches your layout or brand style. After you've found the icon you want, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can place it wherever you need it in your design, whether it's part of a form, a keyboard interface, a button, or any other UI element. From there, you can resize it, change its color, and position it exactly how you want. And that's it. You've now created a backspace icon in Figma using Iconify. It's fast, easy, and a great way to speed up your design workflow. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Figma tips, and I'll see you in the next video.